In this video, you'll learn how to purchase items on eBay. This guide will walk you through the entire process from searching for products to completing your transaction. Start by visiting the eBay website or opening the mobile application. Locate the search bar, which is typically at the top of the page. Enter the name of the product you wish to buy. After you input your search term, press the enter key, tap the search icon to view the results. As the search results load, browse through the listings displayed on your screen. Each listing will show the product image, title, price, and seller information. Take the time to compare these listings to find the best option. Click on a listing to view the product description, shipping costs, and seller ratings, ensuring you have all the necessary information before making a selection. After finding the item you want, you need to decide on the purchase option. If the item is available for immediate purchase, click the Buy It Now button. This action will allow you to buy the item right away. If the item is part of an auction, enter your desired bid amount in the designated field and confirm your bid. It is essential to understand the auction terms before proceeding to avoid any confusion. Once you confirm the purchase option, you will be directed to the checkout page. Here, you will need to enter your shipping address. Make sure to double check the address for accuracy to ensure timely delivery. Next, select your preferred payment method from the options available, which may include credit cards, PayPal, or other payment services. Before finalizing your order, review the order summary displayed on the screen. This summary will include the total price, shipping details, and estimated delivery time. Ensure that everything is correct, and once you are satisfied, submit your payment to complete the transaction. After this step, you should receive an order confirmation indicating that your purchase was successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.